If we have seen the major newspaper of the world, especially in US, Pakistan and the Nepal, I have taken three newspapers from these nations. The first one is the New York Times of US, United States of America. In the New York Times news, that is the after the inauguration and consecration ceremony of the Ram Lalla temple in Ayodhya, New York Times printed that Hindus first in India, as per a giant Hindu temple was inaugurated by the PM Modi. This statement was printed by the New York Times newspaper. What does it mean? India did not send any time any missionary to any country to convert for the religion conversion. And these Christian nations like Britain, France, Canada and US, they sent the Isai missionaries, Christian missionaries in the povertyful nations, underdeveloped nations in Africa and Asia. And they convert the people from Hindus to the Christian. In India, any peasant came from the Britain for the converging from Hindus to the Christians. If religion is not important for these countries, these Christian nations, then why are you supporting Israel? One of the biggest reason, one of the main reason, bone of the contention is that between the conflict between the Israel and Palestine, that is the Jerusalem. Because Jerusalem is a place of the three religions. First religion is that Jews, that is called Jews at that time. The Mount Temple is situated there. And second one is the Al-Aqsa Mosque is situated. That is the most sacred mosque of the Muslims, that is situated in the Jerusalem. And third one is the Christians, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was born in Jerusalem and he lived his life 33 years in Jerusalem. So this is the main reason why these Christian nations always supported Israel, to save the birthplace of the Jesus Christ. If religion is not important for these developed nations, then why are you supporting to Israel there? To save the birthplace of the Jesus Christ. This is the fact. And second newspaper is that the Dan newspaper of the Pakistan, DAWN. They have printed the news. PM Modi started election campaign unofficially after inauguration and consecration ceremony of the Ram Lalla temple in Ayodhya. What does it mean? And this is the dangerous point for the secular image of the India. Pakistan is teaching us how to be the secular. How to be the secular. And Pakistan forgot it in 1947 when Pakistan was born from India. In the Pakistan, there were 20% Hindus. And at present, at least only 2% Hindus are left there. Those Hindus were converted into the Islam, are fled into the India, or they had been killed there. And in India, 1947, 6 to 7% population of the Muslims in India at that time. Nowadays, 30% Muslims living in India. And they are teaching us how to become the secular. And third lesson is the Nepal. Nepal stated at Daily News, in that newspaper, one person is the more popular in the consecration ceremony of the Ram Lalla temple in Ayodhya, that is the PM Modi. PM Modi is more popular than Lord Rama in the consecration ceremony in Ayodhya for the Ram Lalla temple. This is the statement of the Nepal newspaper. Nepal forgot it. Whenever they needed, India always helped them. Always, as a younger brother. But Nepal is saying this. And that is a mosque that is situated in India in Ayodhya for more than 500 years. And it was destroyed by the Mir Baqi, one of the general of Babur. But Before 1528, it was a temple, and that temple was situated from the time immemorial at the life of the Lord Rama. So it is very needful. We have to understand such a propaganda, what is going on in the world about the Ram Lala temple, about the India.